प्रुडंट नेटवर्काच्या द गोवन एव्हरीडे, गोवन वार्ता आणि भांगरभूंय ह्या 3 दिसाळ्यांक आज 11 वर्सां पुराय जाली. ह्या निमतान प्रुडंट नेटवर्काच्या गोवा स्टोरीज ह्या कॉफी टेबल बुकाचे राज्यपालाच्या हस्तुकी अनावरण जाले.
When we decided to start Goa Stories, we decided that let's do something different. Every brand of ours runs after news. Let's create a brand that doesn't run and that just pauses, ponders and produces. And if you see the coffee table book today, it's a collection of 52 well-researched videos that they have done over a journey of 1 year. They have selected, you go through the book, you will understand the amount of hard work, research that has gone into it. And we have decided that we'll come out with a book like this every year. Because what Goa Stories does is it covers culture, heritage, history of Goa. And it video documents it. And today we have started a journey of documenting it in print also.
Started on a very small note. We started very humble beginnings of the Goan 11 years back. And today we are entering into a 12th year, very firmly rooted, much stronger, deeply imbibed into the fabric of the state. Going forward, I mean, we have discussed again with you, and I'm repeating again here, we have introduced products like Global Goenka, which has got a reach of around across the world, UK, US, Middle East, and other regions, Africa, even Pakistan. So it's been a constant journey of growth for us, for the Goan at this thing, at various levels.
माझ्या रिपोर्टरांक भांगरभूंयचे माझे रिपोर्टर, द गोवनाचे रिपोर्टर आणि ह्या फ्लोरार जे काम करतात, एकामेकाक जे सदां सहकार्य करतात, त्या सगळ्यांक आयज हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आनी आमचो 11वो वर्धापन दिन आमकां आनीक अशेंच 21-31 अशें करपाक जाय. सो मॅनेजमेंटाक दिसलें जाल्यार ते फुडें मेरेन आमी खूब 111 मेरेन पावया.